The old dinosaur birdie there got him a fish, but I don't think he can get it down. Been walking around with it now for about 5 minutes. Guess maybe he bit off a little more than he could chew. He's trying to figure out how he can swallow that big thing. And here's the quackers. Ah, boys. Getting tired, Howard. Had to run the Tractor Supply again, get some more savings for them. And we came here to hang out at the park. Did a little bit of spray paint stuff. Those are 2 that I did today. I did a couple more, but they weren't any good. So I got 2 that are okay. We're just kind of chilling here till it starts to get dark, and see that over by the bathroom they got here, I saw somebody else filling up water there yesterday, so wait till it gets about dark and then we'll swing over there and fill up the duckies' water real quick. It'd be a little more sneaky to do it that way than over there where we got it last time, since they're gonna have a big Christmas thing here in a couple days. Well, I guess maybe be next weekend. I got some bounce houses set up and something going on over there this weekend too, but next weekend they're supposed to have real snow somehow. Not sure how they're gonna figure that one out, but it's supposed to be 18th and 19th they're gonna have real snow over there. Shoot, I think they said like 20 tons of snow. Must have grind up a bunch of blocks of ice or something. Snow's not gonna last very long when it's like 80 degrees out. But we'll probably stay away from this area when that's going on. Didn't look last night, but I'm gonna look again tonight. I'll look tonight on Google and see if there's some parks closer to where we've been staying at night. This is probably 6 or 7 miles or so. Just with my truck in town, it just sucks down fuel going short distances. So I'm gonna see if we can find a park that's a little bit closer. Even maybe if we just went to the one where we go to watch the launches, that's a lot closer, but we'll see.